In today's video, I want to be giving you guys more updates on the Kwtcn wallet. So in today's video, I'm here to talk about the VVS staking option in order for you to earn more on this platform. Remember, I've made a couple of videos on this platform before. As you can see directly displayed here on my screen, this is the value of their own native token. The platform they are still building, and what they are building is quite interesting. So let me show you guys how this other option works, because many people are not actually taking advantage of it. As you can see right displayed here on my screen, this is like a pictorial picture showing you guys this VVS staking, how it actually works, and then how you can earn through referral reward. So I'm going to be breaking it down for you so you guys can see. But before you get into this, you're going to be you have to make do of USDT, right? And in order for you to get USDT, you need to just go to your exchange, either Bybit, Binance, Kwtcn, Get.io exchange, Mexi, any SEC exchange of your own choice, and then you just make purchase of USDT that you like to use. Now after making that purchase of USDT, you're going to come down straight into this section. Now you're going to go to VVS staking. VVS staking, you're going to find it at that's the middle icon on the bottom of your screen, and then you're going to see this. Now you can actually make do of USDT, or you can either make do of Ethereum or you make do of Tron. But here is what makes this very interesting. So I want to just read this down for you guys to see. Now I kind of like wrote it down because it's actually too it's lengthy, so I'm going to just break it down. Now they have different tiers for you to earn, right? Now this is it. Let me just read it through so you guys can see. Now they have level 1, level 2, and then level 3. Right now, this is showing you how you can actually earn when you invite people to the platform. You can see there is what level 1 has like an 8% reward, level 2 has 7%, level 3 has 5%. Now on each of this level that is tied to a referral that you refer, there is a percentage that you're going to be earning, and then at the end of the day you're going to have a total sum plus your own staking that you will do is going to be amounting to around 26 USDT. It could be more or it could be less. It just depending on your referrals, you understand? So that's why I say it could be more depending on your referrals, and it depending on how much you are staking. Now please note that this is in no way a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you guys earning opportunities on Kwtcn wallet, because this is actually still available and running. So you can see rightly displayed here, this is the APRM. You can see that is 6% to 12% like yield of your of the amount that you are staking on this platform. So, and after doing that, you can always come here to the home and then make do of this this their SVERV token, right? When you still refer people, you are still going to just keep on accumulating this token. And this is not the exact value of what the token is going to worth. We don't know that, but this is what they are just showing us now. So once they TGE, you're going to see the exact value of whatsoever that you've earned on this platform. So remember, like I said again, make do of the staking option, and then after making do of the staking option, you will most likely want to refer your friends. How do you refer your friends? All you just need to go do is to click on the me icon at the bottom of your screen, and then you click on what share with friends, and then you just copy your referral code and then you send to them. Upon once they want to register, they are just going to register using your own code, and then both parties, you will be having some amounts of the SVERV token, and they equally will be having that same amount. And then when they start to stake, you are going to earn a percentage of whatsoever they are staking as your reward, which is your referral based reward. Now this is what I'm trying to make explain for you guys here. You can see here the key is that combined with your own 6% staking, the final return will be reach about 26%. You understand? So you can just refer anybody of your choice, your friends, your family, and then they can get onboarded on this. Please make sure you do your own due diligence, do your own research before you hop into this. So that's just basically it. If you have any question concerning this platform, please make sure you ask me in the comment section, and I'm going to be there to answer you. You can also explore the platform to see, or you can also find them. They have a customer support, so you can also just check some questions that you have. There's the FAQ. You can just come here, click on the FAQ, and then check some questions that you might need some answers, and then you just go through it for your own self, and then you see everything. You understand? So that's just basically it. Thank you guys for watching.